Tired of spending days or even weeks creating a single ebook? What if you could do it in minutes? Welcome to Ebooktrix, the AI ebooks generator for Windows that turns your ideas into professional, ready-to-publish books at an incredible speed. Let's create one together, right now. We'll start by creating a new project. First, give your ebook a title and a specific topic. Let's say we're writing a beginner's guide to indoor gardening. Next, define your audience. Choose the book's tone, like friendly and informative, and set your chapter length. Now, hit Generate Outline. In seconds, Ebooktrix creates a logical, detailed chapter structure for your book. You can edit this, add chapters, or generate a new one until it's perfect. With the outline locked in, it's time for the magic. Click Generate Ebook. Watch as Ebooktrix writes the full content for every chapter, one by one. It doesn't stop there. It also creates unique, AI-generated images for each section, bringing your book to life. A book needs a great cover. Go to the cover section. You can generate a stunning AI cover with a single click, or build a clean, professional static cover with your title and subtitle. Once you're happy with everything, export your finished ebook directly to a polished PDF, ready for distribution. But maybe you want a faster start. Ebooktrix comes with over 100 ready-made templates for different niches. Just pick one and go. And for ultimate flexibility, you can create your own template. Simply describe the structure, style, and purpose you need, and save it. Now your custom framework is ready for all your future projects in just one click. Now, let's look at the feature that makes Ebooktrix truly powerful for marketers: seamless affiliate integration. Let's create a new ebook, this time with a clear purpose, to recommend a specific product. We'll choose our language, tone, and audience carefully. The key step is here: adding your affiliate offer. In the settings, you can input your affiliate link and the product name. As the AI writes the book, it will intelligently integrate your offer into the content. It will create a dedicated section, like a product review or a recommendation, and naturally place your affiliate link where it makes the most sense for the reader. This transforms your ebook from just informational content into a direct revenue generator. The entire book is built to guide the reader to your offer. And just like before, we'll generate a compelling AI cover and export it to PDF. In under 5 minutes, we've created a complete, affiliate-ready marketing asset. Stop just creating content. Start building your business. Get Ebooktrix today and generate your first AI ebook. The only limit is your imagination.